Shopify has completely changed the way people do business online by simplifying the setup and administration of e-commerce sites for company owners. Shopify provides plenty of chances to make money, regardless of your level of experience as a company owner. This comprehensive video will explore the best ways to make money through Shopify, covering everything from setting up your store to advanced marketing strategies. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Setting up your Shopify store. Select a specialization. The cornerstone of your Shopify shop is your specialty. It's critical to choose a specialty that both has a market and interests you. The following advice may help you choose a niche. Determine your interests. Take into account your passions, interests, and hobbies. Market analysis. To determine market interest, use resources like social media, Google Trends, and Keyword Planner. Analysis of competitors. Examine successful shops in your industry to learn what makes them tick. Draft a business strategy. A strong business plan will direct your actions and keep your objectives front and center. Add. An executive summary is a synopsis of your company. Market analysis is studying your target market and specialty. Marketing strategy. Your approach to drawing in and keeping clients. Financial plan. Financial estimates, pricing strategy, and budget. Create a Shopify account. Register. Register on the Shopify website. Select a plan. Choose a plan, Advanced, Shopify, Basic, based on your demands. Personalize your online store. When designing your shop, use Shopify's themes. Make sure it is both aesthetically pleasing and easy to use. Product sourcing and inventory management. Dropshipping. A common business strategy is dropshipping, which allows you to sell goods without keeping inventories. You buy the item from a third party and send it straight to the client when a consumer puts an order. This approach streamlines inventory management and lowers upfront expenses. Oberlo. Finds and imports items from vendors by integrating with Shopify. AliExpress is a well-known goods sourcing platform. For creatives, print on demand, POD, is ideal. Custom-made goods like phone covers, mugs, and t-shirts may be sold without requiring you to have inventory on hand. A third-party vendor prints and ships the goods once an order is placed. Printful. Offers a large selection of personalized items by integrating with Shopify. Another pod solution that integrates with Shopify is Printify. Bulk, wholesale purchasing. Higher profit margins might result from buying things in bulk. This approach needs greater storage space and an initial financial commitment. Alibaba, a well-known marketplace for purchasing goods from producers in large quantities. Another source for wholesale goods is DHgate. Creating a strong brand identity. Your desired perception of your company is reflected in your brand identity. It consists of your typeface, color scheme, logo, and general design. Design a logo using Canva or Upwork, or hire a designer from Fiverr or Upwork. Make sure your branding is the same across your website, social media accounts, and promotional materials. Product details and pictures. Excellent product photos and descriptions have a big sales effect. Concise and clear. Summarize your item's salient characteristics and advantages. Employ high-resolution photos while taking professional photos. Think about working with an expert photographer. Client support. Positive feedback and recurring business are two benefits of providing excellent customer service. Response time. Try to get back to customers within a day of their inquiry. FAQ section. To save time, respond to frequently asked questions on your website. Optimizing your Shopify store for conversions. User interface, UI. Conversion rates may rise with a smooth user experience. Make sure that navigating across your website is simple. Mobile friendly. Make your shop responsive to mobile users. Loading speed. To speed up loading times, use resources like Google PageSpeed Insights. Product pages. Make sure your product pages are optimized to turn people into buyers. Unambiguous call to action, CTA. Make good use of CTAs, such as Add to Cart or Buy Now. Client testimonials, show reviews to foster confidence. Procedure for checkout. Cart abandonment is decreased with a seamless checkout procedure. Make forms simpler. Just inquire about information that is necessary. Various methods of payment. Provide a range of payment options, such as PayPal, Apple Pay, and credit cards. Marketing and promotion. Optimizing for search engines, SEO. SEO raises your store's position in search engine results, resulting in more natural visitors. Keyword research. To locate suitable keywords, use tools such as Ahrefs or SEMrush. Enhance the meta tags, descriptions, and names of your products for on-page SEO. Content marketing. Create a blog to increase search engine rankings and visitors. Marketing on social media. Social networking sites are effective channels for connecting with prospective clients. Utilize Facebook and Instagram to interact with your audience and display your merchandise. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with opinion leaders to market your goods. Email promotion. One efficient technique to nurture prospects and turn them into clients is via email marketing. Create an email list. Provide enticements to join up, such as free delivery or discounts. Automated marketing initiatives. Send automated emails by using programs like Klaviyo or MailChimp. Advertisement at cost. Paying for advertising might bring customers to your business right away. Google Ads allows you to target certain keywords to show up in search results. Facebook ads. Reach your prospective clients by using Facebook's targeting tools. Leveraging Shopify apps. Numerous applications are available in Shopify's app shop to improve the functionality of your shop. Sales and Marketing Apps Kit supports email marketing, Facebook and Instagram advertisements, and more. Privy, email collection, A/B testing, and exit intent pop-up tools. Apps for inventory management. Stocky helps in forecasting and inventory control. TradeGecko, orders, shipping, and inventory management. Apps for customer service. Gorgias, a customer support management helpdesk system. Tdio, a chatbot and live chat solution. Analyzing and improving performance. Google Data. Google Analytics gives you performance information about your shop. Track traffic sources. Recognize the origins of your website's visitors. Keep an eye on behavior. Examine how users engage with your website. Shopify data. The integrated analytics tools in Shopify facilitate the tracking of sales and consumer activity. Sales reports track sales patterns and pinpoint the best-selling items. Customer reports recognize the characteristics and habits of your customers. Expanding your business. Scaling up. After your shop is well established, think about expanding. Product line expansion. Increase the number of items in your shop. International shipping. Provide shipping services to clients worldwide. Creating a brand community. Talk to your consumers to create a devoted following. Social media groups. Establish Facebook groups as well as other platforms. Client input. Utilize client input to enhance your offerings. Staying compliant. Make sure your company abides by all applicable laws. Business licenses. Acquire the relevant licenses and authorization. Taxes. Recognize your tax responsibilities and fulfill them. Privacy policies. Verify that your online shop conforms with GDPR and other privacy regulations. Conclusion. Using Shopify to generate revenue involves a trifecta of smart planning, successful marketing, and top-notch customer support. You may establish a profitable online company by picking the ideal niche, locating high-quality items, developing a powerful brand, optimizing your shop, and using a variety of marketing techniques. In order to maintain an advantage in the fiercely competitive e-commerce market, never stop assessing and refining your performance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.